Hello, my name is Pascal. I'm a guitar player and demonstrator for Peavey. In this video, I'd like to show you a new product for the iPhone developed by Peavey and Agile partners called the AmpKit. So what is this new product? Well, it consists of two things. First, an interface called the LiNK that you can see on the screen. This is where you're going to connect your guitar and other elements. You can notice that there are metal rings around the inputs, which makes the iLink a very solid device. It's also powered by two batteries to preserve the tone from any parasite sound. So basically, what you have to do is connect the iLink to the iPhone speaker input, and then connect the iLink to your headphones or audio system, and last, plug in your guitar. You're now ready to play. Let's talk about the AmpKit now. This is a free application you can download from iTunes, which includes various simulations such as amps, speaker cabinets, microphones and effect pedals. The basic kit contains the Peavey valve king head and cabinet, two microphones, an overdrive pedal and a noise gate pedal. If you want to buy other equipment, all you have to do is click on the section Add Gear to choose from a whole collection of amps, cabinets, etc. The AmpKit is made of 5 different sections. The first one is called My Setups, and this is where you're going to save user presets. To edit any preset, just click on it and you can change all the settings, change the amp, the pedals, etc. The second section is called Presets and contains factory presets for you to use. Just click on any preset to make it active and to edit the parameters. The third section, called Recordings, offers advanced functions such as recording and listening to yourself, but also to re-amp the part, which consists of changing the sound of the amp after recording it. For example, if you record a guitar part with a clean sound, you can decide later on to use a distorted sound without having to record it again. Now I'm going to show you the application using the guitar. The AmpKit is on, as you can see on the screen. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pick one of my setups, so let's say this one. And here you have access to all the elements I'm using right now. So there is the valve king head, the cabinet, a microphone and two pedals, a noise gate pedal and an overdrive pedal. Now let's say you want to edit one of these elements, you just have to click. So let's click on the head. And here you have access to the two channels. You can change from the clean to the lead channel. You can also change other settings like the EQ, the reverb, the gain, etc. You can also change the speaker cabinet if you want to. You can change the microphone and you can change the axis of the microphone you're using. Okay, so here is an example of the kind of sound you can get out of the AmpKit. Now let's talk about two useful functions, which are the metronome and the tuner. They are located at the bottom of each preset. And I'm not going to show you how to tune your guitar right now, but let's use the metronome for a few seconds. So all you have to do is click right here, and you have access to the metronome here and the tuner down here. For each preset, the AmpKit gives you the possibility to make recordings. All you have to do is to click on this red button right here and then click on this one to get started. What's really interesting about this function is the possibility to change the sound of the amp after recording. So I'm going to show you how it works. First I'm going to record a small improvisation and then we're going to change the sound. Okay, so what I have to do now is to go to the recording section. So I have to go back here and then click on the section right here and then choose the last recording I've made, which is called session number 4. Here I can get to listen to what I've done. And what I can do is change the sound by clicking on the Reamp Setup tab. So here I can get to choose from the factory settings or my settings, which is really great. I can just go to presets, for example, and if I click on any preset, I'm going to change the sound, and I can actually get to hear the changes as I change the presets.